The video that you are watching right now got copyrighted. The video is unavailable. This video contains content from SME who has blocked it in your country on copyright grounds. I'm done. I'm not even sub. I'm in Corpus Christi for the next 5 days. This is my entire experience. I'm gonna explain why I left YouTube once I get back from the beach. I wasn't planning on making another vlog, like ever, but a good friend and my brother, RJ Eloade, told me to keep vlogging so Team 7 wouldn't die out. So I'm in Corpus Christi for the next 5 days, and this vlog is nothing like you'll ever see again from any of the other bums from school. Alright, so I went to the beach, got out, showered, now we're going out to eat. Waking up at 11 a.m., eating taquitos. This is the life. Could you say that?
Midnight awakening, hyperventilating, drunk laps, running around the globe, wild goose chasing after 3 #1 albums. Would have thought I feel amazing, still impatient, still sipping on liquor, still rolling up swishers.
Hi, Tyrece Johnson, bringing back the vlog.
Rolling up swishers. Nas demons, double pocket, fuck pen and meter. In your club, on your couch, just got paid to be it. On your girl, rubbing on my favorite features. If the Jesus only wanted the Franklin's and Mona Lisa.
Alright, I'm at my house now in my room. I got back home yesterday and then I went to sleep. Woke up today and here I am. I'm gonna start posting videos again, but they're not all gonna be vlogs. So if you have any ideas what you want them to be, then post in the comments what you want me to start doing for my channel. More vlogs, less vlogs, challenges, Q&As, so hit up that comment section. Alright, so that's like the end of the video. You can do whatever, post it on your Snapchat, dislike it, like it, comment, hate it, who cares. See you soon.
I'm in shock. The nerve, the audacity.